In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find tags in Apple Notes. First, let's begin by opening the Notes app on your iPhone or iPad. You can locate this app by finding the yellow notepad icon, which is usually on your home screen. Tapping it will bring you directly into your notes. Once inside, you'll see all your notes displayed. This is important because the Notes app is where all your written information is stored, and it serves as your starting point for organizing your notes using tags. Next, you will need to tap the back button until you reach the Folders screen. This button is typically located in the upper left corner of your screen. Tapping it will navigate you through your notes back to the main folder view. It's vital to reach this screen as it provides access to different sections of your Notes app, including your tags. This step ensures you have a clear view of all your organizational tools. Now scroll down to the Tags section. As you scroll, keep an eye out for the area that is specifically labeled Tags. This section groups all your tags together, allowing for a streamlined way to access organized notes. If you have created tags, you will see this section displayed. This is crucial because it helps you quickly identify which tags you have available for filtering your notes. Once you find the Tags section, tap on All Tags to view notes with any tag, or tap a specific tag to see only notes associated with that tag. Selecting All Tags provides you with a comprehensive overview of all notes organized under any tag, while tapping a specific tag narrows your results to just those notes. This functionality is incredibly useful for keeping your notes organized, making it easier for you to find what you need efficiently. To further narrow your results, tap multiple tags to filter matching notes. This means you can combine tags to refine your search even more. For example, if you tap the tags for both #work and #urgent, you will only see notes that are tagged with both. This is an excellent way to streamline your workflow and focus on the most relevant notes. If you don't see the tags section, make sure you've created at least one tag in a note. For instance, using something like #work will ensure that the tag section appears on your screen. This step is significant because without creating any tags, you won't be able to utilize this feature, which is designed to enhance your productivity within Apple Notes. With that ready, you now have the knowledge to efficiently find and use tags in Apple Notes. This simple yet powerful feature can greatly enhance how you organize and access your notes. Remember, tags are your friends when it comes to keeping things neat and easily accessible. In summary, we have covered how to open the Notes app, navigate to the Folders screen, and locate the Tags section. We've also discussed viewing all tags and filtering your notes by multiple tags. By following these steps, you can maximize your note-taking efficiency. Happy organizing!